Question number 12. PQ? PQ, that's it. Okay. Then question number 21. Question number 21. You have not seen that question, I think. Yes, try now. Question number 21. Gold with atomic mass, radius. Atomic radius 0.144 nanometers or 144 picometers. Both are one and the same. Crystallizes in FCC unit cell. What is the length of the side of the unit cell? What is length of the side of the unit cell? Edge length, that is A. A you are supposed to find. R is given, radius is given as 0.144 nanometers, right? For it is also given what kind of unit cell it is? FCC unit cell. So if we have derived packing efficiency in case of FCC unit cell, and we know the relationship between edge length and radius in case of FCC. Edge length A is equal to 2 root 2 or I told you 2 root 2 means 2.824 I think. 2.8 approximately. 2.8. Radius is given 0.144. Multiply and express the edge length in terms of nanometers. What you have to write? Copy the question first. Gold with atomic radius 0.144 nanometers crystallizes in FCC unit cell. Answers, you can check the answer. Compare your answer with the printed answer at the end of the textbook. Compare. See whether you are getting the same answer or not. 2.8 into 0.144. Answer is not given. Okay. That's it. So let us take up. Did you practice packing efficiency calculation of two simple cube and face centered? Today we shall see body centered. Okay. Calculation of packing efficiency in case of body centered unit cell. BCC unit cell. ಬರೆಯೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. Okay, so we have to assume one body centered unit cell. This is a very simple body centered unit cell. In a body centered unit cell, you will find the lattice points or particles at the corners and at the body center. Corners and at the body center. See, in this body centered unit cell, particles are not in touch along the edge. Okay, they are not in touch along the face. They are in touch along the body diagonal. Okay, body diagonal. This is one corner, top corner. Okay, and that is bottom corner. Bottom corner. Bottom corner sphere, top corner sphere, opposite top corner sphere, and body center spheres are in touch with each other. We call this line as body diagonal. We call it as body diagonal. So spheres are in touch along the body. This is top corner, opposite bottom corner. So this is called as body diagonal. Okay. So I have to draw body diagonal. When I draw body diagonal, so this is the diagram I am going to take up. bigger one. Okay, this is the body diagonal. This is the body center. Okay, this is the corner that we have chosen. Okay, corners that we have chosen. Spheres are in touch along the body diagonal. Along the body diagonal. This length is called as what? Edge length. This length is called as edge length. From these edges, I am not getting any of the triangle to know the value of A. So I am choosing two triangles by taking a face diagonal. This face diagonal I am taking. Okay, so that I may get a triangle. This triangle, it is A, B and C. C triangle. What is this called as? BC? Face diagonal. What is AB? Edge length. What is AC? Body diagonal. So AB is edge length. AB is edge length, which we call it as A. What is BC? Face diagonal. Face diagonal, which we write it as B. Okay. What is AC? Body diagonal, which we write it as small c. Okay. Body diagonal andre C, small c. Face diagonal andre small b. Edge length andre A. So when I consider this triangle, of course this is 90 degree. When I consider this triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square and BC square. So I will get it as C square is equal to A square plus B square. I don't know what is B square. Okay. B square ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. C square ಅಂದರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು what is C is equal to R and R. So C is equal to 4R. A ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. What is B? We should know the B. B ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. I know B. I want to know B in terms of R in terms of A. So I have to consider one more triangle, that is BDC. BDC, this angle is what? 90 degrees. So here in BCC unit cell packing efficiency calculation, we are taking up two triangles because there are two variables here. There are two variables, one is C, other one is B. A ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. B is face diagonal, I should know the value of B. C is body diagonal, I know the value of C in terms of R. B ಏನು ತಿಳಿಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. So I have to consider one more right angle triangle BDC. So from this BDC I am going to get B in terms of A. So BC square is equal to BD square plus CD square. What is BD? A. What is DC? A. So A square plus A square is equal to B square. So B square is equal to 2A square. Or B is equal to root 2A. So when I get B, when I know A, I can get the C value. Okay. So let us start. So in what line spheres are in touch? Body diagonal. So spheres are in touch in BCC unit cell along the body diagonal. So first I have to consider this triangle BDC. I am going to find the value of B. Then I will be consider the triangle ABC. I am going to get the value of A in terms of R. Okay, shall we proceed? You got the explanation? Tilidide ellargu? Yes, write down. In BCC unit cell, the spheres are in touch along the body diagonal in the bracket C. Body diagonal C. Draw the diagram. ಇದು ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ. Diagram is a must in the exam. You have to draw the diagram for calculating packing efficiency of any of the unit cell. Okay, join the body diagonal like this with broken line. Mark the center of the body. Choose the corners. Opposite two corners the choose ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಂತರ ಯು ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್. ಆಯಿತಾ? ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು? ಎಸ್. ನಂತರ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? ಫೇಸ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್. ಯಾವುದರ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ ತೊಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋದು. ಬೆಟರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ಬಾಟಮ್ ಫೇಸ್ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್. ಲೇಬಲ್, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ. 2 triangles are there, ABC and BDC, 2 right angle triangles. Mark the 90 degrees, right angled ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿ. ವಿಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ 90 degrees ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಯಿತಾ? ತಿಳಿದಿದೆ? ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಇನ್ ದ ಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್? ಎ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸಿ. ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸಿ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು, ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇನಾ? ನೋ, ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸಿ. ಎಸ್. ಇನ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿ ಸಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಇನ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ BDC. What is that? BC square is equal to BD square plus DC square. What is BC square? You know what is BC? What is BC? B square, body face diagonal. What is BD? Edge length. What is DC? Edge length. A square plus A square. So B square is equal to 2A square. That's it. Sir, box ಹಾಕಿ enclose ಮಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. You know B square now. Okay. Now consider the other triangle. What is that? In the triangle ABC. Yes, in the triangle, right angle triangle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AC square? AC square. What is AC square? C square ಅಷ್ಟೇ. C square is equal to. What is AB square? A square. What is BC square? What is BC square? B square. Okay. So C square is equal to 3A square plus 2A square. Or C square is equal to 3A square. Or C is equal to root 3 into A. What is C is equal to? What is C? Value of C? 4R. In terms of R, it is 4R. 4R is equal to root 3 into A. So A is equal to 4 by root 3 into R. Value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4 by root 3 ಅಂದರೆ 4 by 1.73. 4 by 1.73. root 3 ಅಂದರೆ 1.73 ಅಲ್ಲ? ಹಾಂ, 2.31 ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. A is 2.31 times R in BCC. A is 2 times R in simple cube. A is 2.8 times R in FCC. 2 point ಇದೆಷ್ಟು? 3. 3 1 ಎಸ್ 2.3 times R in ಬಾಡಿ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಡ್. ನೆನ್ಪಿಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕೀಗ? ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ is equal to volume occupied by spheres divided by volume of the unit cell into 100. ವರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ. ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಫಿಷಿಯನ್ಸಿ is equal to 4/3 pi r cube into z divided by a cube into 100. Yes, substitute. Packing efficiency is equal to 4/3 pi r cube into what is z for BCC? 2 divided by what is A? 4/√3 r whole cube into 100. Okay. So it is 4/3 pi r cube into 2 divided by 4 cube is 64. Okay, r cube into 3√2 3√3 into what? 100. 3 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, 2 4 2s are 8 8 8s are r cube cancels, so it is √3/8 pi into 100. Am I right? √3/8 √3/8 into pi. √3 value substitute ಮಾಡಿ, pi value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. Substitute the values and get the value of packing efficiency. Sixty 67.9 67.9 approximation ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು. You can use your calculator. We want exact value. 67.94. Okay, write it as 68%. 68% filled volume, then 32% void, khali jaga. So let us have now comparative study of these different types of crystals, that is simple cube, okay, body centered cube, face centered cube. Remember, face centered cube is also called as CCP. Okay, there are two types of FCCs are there. Okay, that those are CCP and HCP. Adantra tagolana. So in simple cube, how many lattice points are there? Number of lattice points. You should start writing. It is revision. How many lattice points are in simple cube? 8. In body centered cube? Body centered cube 9. In FCC 9 means what? 8 plus 1. 14 means how? 8 plus 6. Where 6 are? Where 6 are? Face centered. 6 at the face centers, 8 at the corners. Number of lattice points. Coordination number. Coordination number. Okay, coordination number in simple cube. Coordination number in simple cube. I will show you. Later on you explain me. You give me the coordination number. Okay, so this is a simple cubic unit cell. Okay, ಒಂದಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ್ಕಿದಾವೆ ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ, 1 2 3 4. ಓಕೆ, 1 2 3 4. ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಬೇಕಾ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್? ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಬೇಕಾ ನಾನು? ಸಾಕಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಣ್ಣದಾಗ್ಲಾ? ಓಕೆ, yes, how many simple unit cells are in this diagram? 8. Okay, this is the corner particle. This is the corner particle of 8 unit cells. Agreed? Yes. It is in contact with how many unit cells? ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ. It is in touch with how many unit cells? You go back to the printed sheet of lattice, crystal lattice part ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ, ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್, ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕ್ರಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಲ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ ಹೋದ್ರಾ? ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನಾ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ನಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ನೋಡಿ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ. 4 in its plane. 4 in its plane. See marking here. This is the center particle. It is in touch with this particle. Front and back. Left and right. Top and bottom. How many? 6. So what is the coordination number? 6. Coordination number of simple cubic crystal is 6. Okay. In a BCC togole. BCC. So this is BCC. These are the corner particles. Okay. And this is what? Body center. So body center particle is in touch with how many particles? 8. Coordination number is 8. Okay. And we have learnt the coordination number of HCP and CCP with the help of model. Yes, 12. Coordination number is 12 in case of both CCP as well as HCP. CCP, HCP, FCC. ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರದ್ದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 12. 1 mark ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 mark ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನಂಬರ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Slight mistake. Okay, you will score 0 marks for this simple question. Memory based question it is. Okay, so coordination number of simple cube is 6, body centered cube is 8, face centered cube, cubic close packing, HCP all have got 12 coordination number. Okay, pattern of packing. Yes, tell me, what is the pattern of packing in simple cube? A. From what type of layers? A packing from square 2D packed layers. Okay, A packing from square 2D packed layers. BCC ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ? AB from square 2D packed layers. It is AB packing from square 2D packed layers. Okay, in this there are 2 types are there, AB type and ABC type. AB in HCP, am I right? ABC in what? CCP, or it is called as FCC. Okay, CCP nothing but FCC. In CCP or FCC, what type of packing is there? ABC packing. And in HCP, what type of packing is there? AB packing from hexagonal 2D packed layers. Hexagonal 2D packed layers. Okay, this is packing pattern. Packing fraction. Yes, packing fraction is pi by 6 is equal to 0.52. Okay, pi by 6 is equal to 0.52. Yes, in BCC root 3 by 8 pi, right? Root 3 by 8 pi is equal to 0.68. In FCC it is pi by 3 root 2. Pi by 3 root 2. Check ಮಾಡಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರಿ, ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Pi by 3 root 2 in case of what? FCC or CCP or HCP. Okay, it is equal to 0.74. What is that? Packing fraction. Okay, next, packing efficiency. Tell me. 52%. Here 68%. Here 74%. Okay, void percent, void percent 48%. Okay, then 32 na illi, okay, I'll 32%. Next 26% void percent. Okay, next number of spheres per unit cell, number of spheres per unit cell. Yes, Z 1, BCC 2, FCC 3 na? No, 4. Okay, so 1 for simple cube, 2 for body centered cube, 4 for face centered cube. Okay, what percentage ಆಯಿತು? We shall continue now. Is it clear for all? So you are able to recall, compare the different types of lattices in terms of different points, features we say. Okay, now let us take up density expression. Density of unit cell. Tell me, how do you define density of a substance? Mass of unit volume of a substance is called as density. Okay, how to determine density of unit cell? Mass of one unit cell divided by volume of one unit cell. Very simple. How to get the mass of one unit cell? See, density of the unit cell is equal to mass of one unit cell, mass of one unit cell divided by volume of the unit cell, volume of the unit cell. We know volume of the unit cell is very simple, it is A cube. A is length of the unit cell, edge length, length of the unit cell. Mass of one unit cell is equal to mass of each atom, each particle, each atom or each particle into Z. Am I right? How many particles will be there in one unit cell? 1 in simple cube, 2 in body centered cube, 4 in face centered cube. I should know it is of what type of unit cell, then only I can get the mass of unit cell. So mass of unit cell is equal to mass of each particle, each atom, each molecule into number of particles in one unit cell. How to get mass of every particle, mass of each atom? Instead of particle, let me write it as atom. It will be easy for me. For that I take up the mole concept. Mass of 1 mole, mass of Avogadro number of atoms is equal to molar mass. Is it right? Is equal to molar mass. Okay. Therefore, mass of 1 atom is equal to what I have to take? Molar mass divided by Avogadro number. So I write this as, this is equal to molar mass of the substance divided by Avogadro number into Z divided by A cube and is equal to density. That's it. So this is an expression for density of unit cell. On this formula you will get 3 marks numericals. Okay, expression on this expression you will get numericals, 3 marks numericals. Number of different type of competitive exam questions can be framed on this. Okay, write down the density expression. So let us see how to use this formula. To use this formula to solve the problems related to this, we shall take 2 more points, that is, what is the mass of each unit cell? Heli? How to write the mass of each unit cell? Mass of each unit cell is equal to, what is mass of each unit cell? Molar mass by Avogadro number into Z. Mass of each unit cell is equal to M, molar mass divided by Avogadro number into what? Z. Okay, this is mass of each unit cell. Next, number of unit cells. Number of unit cells in given mass of the substance. Given mass of the substance. Okay, let it be W gram is equal to. Yes, how to get the number of unit cells in the given mass of the substance? ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಹೇಳಿ? M into Z divided by Na is it corresponds to 1 unit cell. Am I right? So W gram corresponds to how many unit cells? ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? W divided by M into Z divided by Na, that is given mass divided by mass of unit cell. Given mass divided by mass of unit cell, that is equal to W, small w into Avogadro number divided by molar mass into Z. You know Z, you know M, you know W, you know Na. You can get the number of unit cells in the given mass of the substance. Okay, so if you know these two simple formulae, you can solve the problem, printed problem in the textbook. Okay, ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ವಿ. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ 12 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದು ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ವೇ ಆಫ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಚ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ can be known by knowing the molar mass, type of the crystal, that's it, 2 information. And the given mass contains how many unit cells? To know that, we should know the given mass and mass of each unit cell. Page number 20, there is an example, solved example, copy that problem. As it is, copy madi. An element has body centered lattice BCC structure with cell edge 288 picometer. Density of the element is 7.2 gram per cubic centimeter. How many atoms are present in 208 gram of the element? How many atoms are in 208 gram of the element? Write the data. What is the data given? A is given. What is the value? 288 picometer. Leave some 3 lines. Then what else is given? Density. What is that? 7.2 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay. See the unit of length given. Unit of length given. Here it is in meter. Here it is in cubic centimeter. They are in different units. We have to equate them. Same ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is the value of pico? 10 raised to minus 12 meter. What is meter in terms of centimeter? How many centimeters are in 1 meter? ಇರಲಿ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗಳು ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ. 1 ಮೀಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ? 100 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಗಳು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಸಿಯಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ 1 ಮೀಟರ್? 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to minus 2. ಯಾಕವೆಲ್ಲ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, 100 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. 100ನ 10⁻² ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳೋದದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಂಟು 100 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 10⁻². 10⁻² ಮೀಟರ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತಾಗ? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 288 ಇಂಟು 10⁻⁻10 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಫಿಕ್ ನೊಟೇಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಈಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ 2.88 ಇಂಟು 10⁻⁻8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು. ಪಿಕೋಮೀಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ 288 100ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು 10⁻⁻8 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ 7.2 ಇಂಟು ಗಿವನ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬಿಕ್ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಸೊ W is given as what? 208 grams. What is asked to calculate? Number of atoms. Okay, number of atoms can be calculated if we know number of unit cells. Okay, in one unit cell of BCC how many atoms will be there? In one unit cell of BCC how many atoms will be there? 2. If you know the number of unit cells, you can get the number of atoms. See, number of atoms is equal to number of unit cells into Z. Is it not correct? Number of unit cells into Z. What is Z? Number of atoms in one unit cell. So what is number of unit cells? How to get number of unit cells? Given mass divided by mass of unit cell into what? Z. What is the given mass? W divided by what is the mass of each unit cell? M into Z into what? Na Avogadro number into what? Z. Z ಏನಾಯಿತು? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯಿತು. What is that? W by M into what? Avogadro number. What is the amount given? 208. What we want? Molar mass is required. It is not given. We have to calculate it by using the density formula. Okay, or else you can substitute here also. It is M into Avogadro number. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ವಾಟ್ ಪಾತ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫಾಲೋ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ನಾವು ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಇದು. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ? ಫಸ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಎಸ್, ಅಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ is equal to molar mass into Z divided by A cube into Avogadro number. What is the density given? 7.2. Molar mass M. What is the value of Z? 2 divided by 2.88 into 10⁻⁻8 whole cube into 6.023 into 10⁻23. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. M is equal to 7.2 into 2.88 cube into 6 into 10⁻⁻1 divided by 2. Okay, 10⁻⁻8 cube is what? 10⁻⁻8 cube 10⁻⁻24. 10⁻⁻24 10⁻⁻23. What is left? 10 raised to minus 1. I want molecular mass of the substance. Huh? I am doing approximate calculation. Approximately 50 is the answer. Answer, approximate answer 50 I got. Exact answer ಹೇಳಿ 51 point. Exact answer is 51.7 units. Okay, ಸಾಕು 51.7 units ಅಥವಾ 7 gram per mole. Gram per mole is the unit of molecular mass. So ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದೀಗ? ಈಗೇನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ? ಮಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಅವಗಾಡ್ರೋ ನಂಬರ್. What is the mass given? 208. What is the molar mass obtained? 51.7 into 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Approximately 24 into 10 raised to 23. 2.4 into 10 raised to 24 ಇರಬೇಕಾ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರು? ಇದೆಮಾ? ಎಸ್. ಹೇಗೆ ಇದು? ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 4 times. It is, you see it as 200 and this as 50. ಇದನ್ನ 200 ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇದನ್ನ 50 ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? 4. 4 24 ಇಂಟು 10 raised to 23 ಅಂದರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2.4 into 10 raised to 24 is the answer.